Wire art videos have been going viral lately, so today I am going to show you how to create videos like this. First, we need a master prompt for the video, which you can find in the description. Simply copy the prompt, then head over to Google Flow AI and click on New Project. Paste your master prompt into the prompt box, then click on Settings, select the video aspect ratio 9:16, choose the OmniFlash model, set the video length to 10 seconds and select 1x. Once everything is set, click Generate. After a few seconds, your video will be ready. Click on the generated video to preview and make sure everything looks good. Once you are satisfied, click Done, then click on the three dots and select Download. Choose 720p and original size and your video will be downloaded in high quality